I'm just going to do a demo of Easy Peasy Forms and how we can build a branded form using Claude. So first you would go into Easy Peasy Forms and create an account. Then go into your Claude and into your settings and your connectors and customize. And in here we can add a add-in. So we go add custom connector, we give it a name, Easy Peasy Forms, and then we put in the URL, which is app.easypeasyforms.com/mpc. That'll take us to a site where we say we allow our access and we sign into our Easy Peasy Forms, and then authenticates Claude so that Claude can talk to our account. So now we can access it just by mentioning Easy Peasy Forms. We can ask who we are, we can see what forms are in there, we can write a prompt like this where I'm trying to build out a form for a property and purchase agreement. So I put all the different things that I want to include in it, and it'll build my form, and I can put in an email address of where I want the entries to go. I could even set up conditions so that I have different URLs for different staff, so for certain things I'll go to different people. And that creates a link that I can then either send to my clients, or I can put it on a web page. So you can see the form is pretty generic looking, but we can build a brand kit to make it look more like your primary site, where we can look out at either your website, or you might have a design system already created that we can point it to. And you can see that the form looks a little bit more like our style of our site. And you can see that based on the answers you get different prompts and different things to fill out. That's what we call branches. We can also upload our sales and purchase agreement. With this I'm actually uploading one from last year, which it does point out, and Claude gives you an idea. It's this doesn't look like it's an up-to-date form. There we go. Now we've got our submission. We can look it up, but you can also save it out to SharePoint or Dropbox or Google Drive, and then it gives you the information. We can ask it to generate a PDF, or we can download a copy of it. So you can see there it's filled it out with our branding. And this is what it looks like. We've got kind of an inbox within the actual application where we can see all our entries. And here we show the designer, so you can customize it and make it look however you want, either through AI or a nice easy drag and drop type editor. And we can create a file note. The combination of Claude and Easy Peasy Forms just really improves the way of getting information from your clients. And then we create a little card which we could just add to our website. And then we can tell it to brand it as well. That's better. So give Claude and Easy Peasy Forms a try and see what you think.